Hi everyone, here we are, we've made it, it's the end of term, just got back, it's very late, it's just gone 6 o'clock, just got back from our final deliveries of the day as we hand out our final awards for the week 7 of home learning and the end of summer term, term 5, 5/6 now completed of year 6. Thank you so much for all your work you submitted. The videos keep coming through and your performance poems are just stunning this week. Absolutely amazing. I'm so proud of you all and it fills me with joy watching everyone. So thank you for that. I know some people have had some problems uploading, but I've got a solution to that, which I'll tell you about in a second. So the award winners this week were as follows. Let's go with the quiz to start with. The quiz was won by Holly this week. Well done to Holly, who was the winner of the quiz, the first to answer all the questions correctly. Well done to Holly. The next winner, we're going to go with the Fun Sats, which the deadline was today. And adding up all the scores across the 2 weeks, I give you 2 weeks to submit. The winner was Nicholas M. So I went and dropped off some treats for Nicholas. So well done to Nicholas. Holly and Nicholas are 2. And then I tripled up with the Head Teachers Award this week. I went for 3 people. I went for Paige, for all your fantastic hard work and all the bits you keep sending me, Paige. You're working your socks off. And I really appreciate all the photos you're sending through and all the maths work you've been doing. And your reading has really wowed me, non-stop reading. Every week I get a full reading log. So thank you, one to Paige. The second Head Teacher Award went to Sadie. Sadie, you have shown not just kindness but creativity this week. Your kindness wheel was my highlight, but you also did the yoga, I believe, and a couple of other ones as well. But for your kindness wheel in particular, and just you showing so much efforts towards that, and completing all your fantastic work, well done to Sadie. And finally, our third Head Teachers Award of the week went to Eddie. And I had a good chat with Eddie. He was unloading the shopping from his mum's car when I pulled up. Didn't encounter his dog this time, but well done to Eddie, who sent me one of the most perfect videos and most inspiring videos of his performance poem that I've seen in a long time. All about a pond, or the pond of lies. He edited it beautifully, and his transitions and the way he was able to create the atmosphere, and his actual vocabulary was outstanding. So well done to Eddie. Our 5 winners today are Eddie, Paige, Sadie, Nicholas M, and Holly. Now, the PE challenge, I have to say, I only got 2 entries. I'm going to extend that until next week for the throwing the ball. The idea, remember, is to throw the ball as far as you can between you and a partner. See how many spaces or how many yards you can mark out to see how far you can catch. It's a bit like the year 6 egg throwing. How far can you go before you drop it? Okay, that's the idea. So that's going to extend to next week. So thank you to those boys who submitted. And that is noted. But you can then have another week to practice. There's actually a tie at the top of the leaderboard, so I couldn't really split you. So you can have one more week till next Friday to give that a go. So that the egg throwing, we'll call it the Mr. Coin egg throwing-ish challenge, where you have to mark out how many paces wide you and your partner or parents have managed to, or siblings have managed to catch the ball in between. All right, so that's for next week. So that's the end of the term. I'm going to try and switch off a little bit during half term. I'm in school still for a couple of days with the key workers and setting out certain bits. Parents, Mrs. Wills is writing to you as I speak to give you some information about term 6 and June the 1st and what it's going to mean for year 6. So I won't go into too much detail, but do look out for an email. I believe it's going to be a letter emailed out this evening to explain a few bits about the idea of return to school for year 6 and other year groups. So look out for that tonight. Starting next term, we're going to be using a system called Class Dojo. Now, some people may be aware of what it is. It's all to do with you submitting your work and being set work and earning different credits and things like that, and being able to comment and send me messages in a safe environment. I think it's something we need, particularly with all these videos. You can upload videos a lot easier. Year 3, I believe, have trialled it, and Year 5 are trialling it at the moment, and we are going to go and do it as a whole school. So I'll send out some more information about Class Dojo and how it's going to work. The great thing is it's an app on your iPad or on your phone, so you can just click on it, and you can have both parent and student accounts where you can send me a message on there, send me a photo, and I can give you feedback straight away. I can send you dojos where you earn certain things for Welland, Chater and Gouache. So it's just a fun way of keeping it going, and that's going to be across the whole school. It's called Class Dojo. If you want to look into it, I'm going to try and send out a video during the half term just to explain how to use it as parents. It's still going to be an option. I'm still going to put all the work on the... I'll put the work on there, but I'll put it on the class page as well, so it won't change. It's just I'm finding that my email system is just completely clogged. I'm struggling to keep up with all the work I'm getting through, which is amazing. And my phone's now filling up with all the WhatsApp videos, which is fine, because that's what I asked. But I just think, well, there's got to be an easier way of doing this. So on Class Dojo, you can submit videos a lot easier. You can have your own portfolio where all your work is grouped, and that helps me, it's going to help you, and it's going to help your parents. And you can send me messages, I can like your photos, other teachers can comment on your photos, so it's just a nice way of doing it that way. So have a look out for that. Well done to all our award winners, guys, and have a wonderful half term, and stay safe, enjoy the sun. But most importantly, I wanted to say thank you so much to you and your parents for all the work you've done over the last 7 weeks. It's been absolutely amazing, and I couldn't have wished for a better class during this lockdown. So anyway, guys, it's flowers out. Have a wonderful half term. Look out for a video soon. Bye bye for now.